I just scored all of this at Walmart for about the price of a candy bar. And here's the step-by-step on how to do it. Remember that prices do vary by region, and rebates will vary by account. The first deal is on these 3 Wishes cereals. These are $6.33 at my store. You'll want to pick up 2 of any of these flavors. After purchase, submit your receipt over to Aisle for buy one get one free. I'll have a tutorial at the end of this video. Then submit your receipt over to Ibotta for $3 back on each. Makes it 33 cents for both, or 17 cents each. Next deal, head over to the toothpaste and pick up one of the Hello toothpaste or the Toms. These are $5.96 at my store. Submit your receipt over to Ibotta for $3 back on one, as well as Swagbucks for $3 back on one, making it a 4-cent moneymaker. And don't leave that aisle just yet, because we're going to pick up one of the Colgate 360 toothbrushes. These are $4.96 at my store. Purchase one, then submit your receipt over to Ibotta for $3 back on one, as well as $3 back on Swagbucks, making it a $1.04 moneymaker. Go over to the body washes and pick up 1 or 2 of the soft soap body washes, or 1 or 2 of the Irish Spring body washes. You'll just need a total of 2. These are $4.97 at my store. You'll purchase 2, then submit your receipt over to Ibotta for $4 back on 2, as well as $4 back on 2 on Swagbucks, making it $1.94 for both, or 97 cents each. Also, if you use checkout 51, there is 50 cents cash back on there. I just don't use checkout 51 anymore. If you're wondering how to use any of these rebate apps, they are super easy to use. When you download the Ibotta app and you use this code at sign up, you'll get an extra $5 when you submit your first receipt. And if you're new to Swagbucks, you can head to the Linktree in my bio, or you can look in the description or the comments depending on where you're watching this from. You'll earn points for scanning receipts, playing games, and doing surveys. You can cash out these points to gift cards, cash, and even more. Same goes for Aisle. I have the link in my Linktree or in the description and comments. When you claim an offer, they will send you a text, and you will send the picture of your receipt to that text thread. And they will reimburse you to your PayPal or your Venmo, whichever one's associated with your phone number. Also, for signing up with this link, you'll get an extra $5 when you submit your first receipt. Also, make sure you're following me on all of my socials. I post different deals on each platform.